are here with me again with new video, and today's video is on adverb clause. First of all, I will let you know that what is clause and how many parts are there and how many types are there, and what is independent clause, what is dependent clause, what is subordinate, what is coordinating conjunctions, and what is noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Now we are here. Dear student, you all are aware that we have done each and everything. First of all, we studied about the clauses. That clauses is a group of words which becomes the part of a sentence and has a contain a subject and a finite verb. Further divided into parts. Independent clause, which can stand alone, which give its own meaning, which give the complete idea of anything. Independent clause, principal clause or main clause उसको बोला जाता है. Second is the dependent clause, and sometimes it is called a subordinate clause because it has to depend upon the main clause, principal clause to give its meaning. And then there we have a coordinating also. Coordinating, actually this is a kind of main clauses which can be coordinated by coordinating conjunctions. So dear student, afterward we study noun clause, adjective clause, because these are the part of subordinate clause. Subordinate clause and here, in which noun clause and adjective clause we have already done, and there is bit similarity in the usage of this subordinate word, and these are like इसमें relative pronoun or relative adverbs को यूज किया जाता है when it started in the sentence. And now we have adverb clause. Adverb is bit different. How to recognize is very big question here in front of us. I will let you know. See, adverb clause, because it does the work of an adverb to some verb, adjective, and adverb in some other clause. See, as you know that adverb चेंज करता है मीनिंग या किसी तरह से इसको थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन करता है वर्ब को, एडजेक्टिव को, एंड समटाइम अपने आप को भी. So dear student, I will let you know that how you can recognize and how you will identify that yes, this is the adverb clause. Here it is. Adverb clause of time. Whenever there is something about the time, your subordinate adverb clause will start with the words like, when, while, whenever, after, before, as, since, etc. Next is the place. If it is talking about the place, so where, whenever, whence, whither, etc. will be there. If there is a purpose, that, so that, last, should, etc. will be there in the clause. And if it is about the cause and reason, अगर ये किसी reason कारण के लिए बताया गया है, तो there will be your sentence जो structure होगा वो कहां से start हो रहा होगा, subordinate clause के रूप में, because, since, as, far, that, etc. And now conditional अगर है तो whichever, whatever, however, कोई ऐसी चीजें उसमें दी जा सकती है. कंडीशनल इफ वगैरह भी आपको मालूम ही होगा. ओके, द रिजल्ट के बारे में अगर स्टडी है, सो मच दैट देयरफॉर एटसेट्रा, इसमें इस तरह का 10 यूज किए जाते हैं वर्ड्स. कंपैरिजन है, एज दो, एज इफ, right? There may be the comparison with things. That time you may face some such words in the sentence structures. Then comparisons of manner and degree. So then, as, then, degrees होती है. Comparison जिस तरह से किया जाता है, there may be some word that is the very easy to identify and to recognize. Okay, then concessions, suppositions, like suppose करते हैं हम एक तरह से. Concessions like okay, though, even though, and, or, however, though वगैरह से कुछ शब्द, yet, sometime you can use for the comparison, and कभी कभी हम मानते हैं ना कि हाँ वो चीज ऐसी है. ओके, वो गरीब है परंतु फिर भी अच्छा आदमी है, ओके, बेईमान नहीं है, लाइक दैट, इस तरह के वर्ड. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, वन बाय वन आई विल लेट यू नो थ्रू माय स्लाइड्स. सी how. Adverb clause of time. Adverb clause of time shows time and begin with adverb of time like when, whenever, while, after, before, since, as, etc. No sooner did, actually, right? I shall go, I shall come whenever you need my help. She get up before the sunrise, whenever you need my help. These are adverb clauses because it is telling something about the time. She looked after her husband went to market. Do not disturb while the patient is sleeping. She reached here after the clock had struck 10. Take rest before you are tired. I have not been well since I returned from America. Apply the brake as I give you the signal. No sooner did I enter the room than the thief bolted away. All the underlined word, okay, underline, जितने भी यहाँ पे वर्ड दिख रहे हैं आपको, and these are the adverb clause of time which tell us something about that, yes, this particular thing is telling about the time. And next one is here, adverb clause of place. Adverb clause of place points to place and begin with adverb of place like where, wherever, whence, whither, etc. Like we can give examples to find out and to recognize the adverb clause here. This is the room where I lived in. This is the hostel where she was murdered. You should stand where you are. Return at once whence you come. See, underline word. These are adverb which start from their adverb clause actually which start with it. The wind bloweth whither it listeneth. Okay, I shall purchased the book whenever it may be found. So underlined clause indicate and points to the place. Adverb clause of purpose. Next one is here that adverb clause of purpose points to purpose and begin with that, so, that, lest, etc. These are very important words which give us the knowledge and tell us that yes, we are talking about some purpose. Like he walked very hard that he may pass. Go quickly lest you should miss the train. Lest and should always use in the same sentence, same clause में use किए जाते हैं. Forgive so that you may be forgiven. Run fast lest you should miss the train. नहीं तो, okay, run fast, जल्दी दौड़ो, नहीं तो lest you should miss the train. He worked hard so that he could succeed. So dear student, you can see here that I have underlined the word, and these words tell us something about what? These are the clause which is pointing the purpose of subject here. Adverb clause of cause or reason. This points to cause or reason and begin with the because, since, as, far, that, etc. Whenever we talk about adverb of cause, कोई रीजन के किसी कारण के लिए हम कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं, तो that time we will use the word like because, since, as, far, that, etc. Like I'm happy because my son passed in IAS. He is sad as he failed in the examination. I must take rest because I'm tired. Since you are so clever, I cannot trust you. Okay, these are some words which we use to point toward the reason, कारण के लिए. Okay, I'm glad that you have come in time. As I am indisposed, I cannot attend the college today. All underlined clauses are indicating the reason and the cause. Adverb
clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition the points to condition and begins with if, whether, unless, provided, on condition, etc. Like, I shall go if you come in time. I shall not help you unless you promise to work very hard. I shall go. मैं चला जाऊंगा if you come in time. कि अगर आप जल्दी समय पे आते हो, come in time, समय पे आते हो तो मैं चला जाऊंगा. I shall not help you, मैं आपकी हेल्प नहीं करूंगा. Unless you promise to, जब तक आप प्रॉमिस नहीं करते हो. What? Work very hard. Unless you promise to work very hard. This is here again, adverb clause. And you must go whether you receive my reply or not. You must go. अब देखो whether you, आपको मेरा रिप्लाई मिले ना मिले, okay, you must go, आपको अवश्य जाना चाहिए. Okay, you cannot, and I cannot forgive you on condition that you do not repeat the crime. On condition that you do not repeat the crime. I will come if he comes. I will come if he comes. If he comes, okay. You can't pass unless you study sincerely. See, these are some adverb clause here, especially adverb clause of condition. Sometime adverb clause of condition has the connective if, which remain understood, like, had I not seen it with my own eyes, I would not have believed it. Had I not here means if, okay, means if I had not. And were he more honest, he would have been happier. Okay, were here, okay, were he here means if he were, कि अगर वो होता, he would have been happier, तो और अधिक शायद happier होता. If the relative pronoun or the relative adverb does not have its antecedent before it, the clause beginning with it can be an adverb clause of condition. I shall go whatever happens. Okay, as I shall go whatever happens. We cannot reach before sunset, whichever train we catch. However, you try. You cannot deceive me. Underline clause is adverb clause of condition here. However, you see, whatever happens, okay, I shall go. कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं तो जाऊंगा. And we cannot reach before sunset, whichever train we catch. भी कोई भी, whichever, कोई भी train we catch. However you try, जितना मर्जी आप try कर लो, you cannot deceive me. Right? These are the underlined word which you can understand that these are the condition. Adverb clause of condition actually. Adverb clause of result points to some result and often begin with that preceded by so or such. It can also begin with the therefore, as he worked so hard that he secured first division. He is so saintly that everybody respects him. He worked hard, so he passed. He worked hard, therefore I passed. He worked in such a defective manner that he failed to get success. He is so poor that he cannot buy a pen. He speaks so slowly that I cannot hear her. Okay, sometimes the connective that may be understood, like, kaise? He is so tired, he cannot stand. In this sentence, that is understood. Adverb clause of comparison. There are two kinds of adverb clause of comparison. The first one is the comparison of degree and the second one is the comparison of manner. It shows comparison of state or situations and often begin with the subordinating conjunction than or relative adverb as. Like, he is not so foolish as his father thinks. As his father think is a adverb of comparison of degree. Adverb clause hai ye. Okay, her heart is as pure as her face is beautiful. Your health is better than it was before. Okay, in the adverb clause of comparison, the verb often remains understood as I am a better swimmer than you are. Here, are is What? Understood. See, and you have visited a larger number of foreign countries than I. Here, have, verb is understood, that must be just after I. He is not so strong as his brother. He is as beautiful as her elder sister. See the rounded bars, which shows that these are understood. Next one is adverb clause of comparison of manner. How? Often begin with the relative adverb as say, as you earn, so you must spend. Okay, as you earn, so you must spend. He did as he pleased, as he pleased. She behaved as if she is known to me. He cried as though he went ruined. The clause started with like as you and as he, as if, as though. These are comparisons of manner. Clause, adverb clause it is. Adverb clause of suppositions or contrast or concession, because it points to some suppositions and often begin with the subordinate conjunctions like though, however, although, or even if word like. Okay, it shows the contrast. It expresses opposite statement, stated in the principal clause like though he is poor, he is reliable. He did not work hard, however he passed. Although he was tired, he finished the work before sunset. Though he is poor, he is honest. Do not be depressed even if you failed. See these underlined clause. These are adverb clause of supposition, contrast, concession से related ये clause है. So dear student, these were something about adverb clause.
That was your video on adverb clauses. And after watching this video, I don't think that there will be any student who will complain about the recognitions of the adverb, subordinate adverb clauses. Because it has been divided in many parts and each part has given every detail that how can you recognize and identify that which is this, which clause is this, and for what purpose it has been used. Yes, dear student, the clause has been divided into three parts. Independent clause, principal या main clause उसको बोला जाता है. Dependent clause, because dependent clause is further divided in many parts like for its recognitions purpose like noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. And there is one more, that was coordinate, because it coordinates the two principal and two main clauses together. Right? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understood. So stay in touch for the other videos that will come in the future. Thank you. Keep watching and keep sharing.